In 1997, a powerful sound erupted from the deep ocean. Sensors 5,000 kilometers apart detected the same massive signal. It was low and pulsing. They called it the Bloop. No known animal is capable of producing such immense power. It was far louder than the largest whale on Earth. Could an ancient monster be hiding in the dark abyss? Was it a giant sea creature, or just shifting ice? The sound never returned. It vanished into the deep silence. What's still hiding down there? Follow Mystery Stickworld for more.